In this video, we'll be showing you how to insert a cross-reference and how to add formatting properties to the cross-reference, such as a hyperlink or the word above or below. In the Weagree wizard, making cross-references is simple. Thanks to a unique functionality, cross-references will automatically renumber if, for example, clauses are inserted or left out during the Q&A. To make a cross-reference, go to the place in a clause where you'd like to insert it. Insert a hard space immediately preceding the cross-reference to avoid any breaks between the word section or article and a cross-reference number. Click Create a cross-reference. Select the section or subsection you wish to make a cross-reference to, click Insert and save. The text of the tag contains a unique number that ensures that the cross-reference is always correct. The text immediately following the tag reference is for convenience and can be modified as you may deem more helpful. Note that it is undesirable to insert cross-references in a global building block if that cross-reference refers to an article or section outside that global building block. If global building blocks are inserted in any other template, the cross-reference will appear as an error, unless the refer to clause and not a copy of it is inserted in that template as well. Note that when referring to a choice within a choice, you need to refer to the building block or contract clause that contains the ultimate choice tag under which all answer options with other choice tags feature. If the cross-reference requires particular formatting or appearance properties, you might want to set certain options. For example, if you refer from a recital or from within a schedule to a section in the body of an agreement, or vice versa, the cross-reference may contain an unintended or confusing cross-reference. This can be solved by changing or adding switches or field options to the cross-reference tag. Within the cross-reference dialog screen, select the Options button. Here, you can adjust the types of cross-references to be inserted, as Word also uses them. The options produce what the descriptions say they do. Also, you can add certain properties to the cross-reference, such as the word above or below, depending on the relative position of the cross-referred paragraph, as well as whether any words in the referred to clause must be suppressed in the cross-reference, or whether the cross-reference must appear as a clickable hyperlink. Occasionally, it may be important to format the cross-reference in lowercase or otherwise. This can be forced by ticking the option lowercase, uppercase, or initial capitals. If these options are to be the default parameters for all cross-references, set them accordingly, or reset them to Weagree's default settings. If the resulting Word document refers to Article 0, this is typically due to the fact that the style numbering of the referred to clause is a non-numbering clause. In such case, either refer to the article heading preceding the paragraph, or set the section styling to a numbering style. If the resulting Word document contains the message Error Reference Not Found, there are a few possible causes. Firstly, the contract clause to which a reference is made doesn't feature in the actual contract by virtue of an answer given during the questionnaire or by operation of a global question. Secondly, you might have referred to a clause beneath a choice answer option, which in turn doesn't feature in the contract, because during the Q&A another answer option was chosen. Thirdly, you might have referred to a contract clause which was later on replaced by a new contract clause, a global building block, or a global contract clause. In such cases, you may consider referring to the article heading or leaving out the cross-reference altogether. Thank you for watching this tutorial on making cross-references in your template.